now let us quickly discuss the remaining questions from the GATE Economics 2023. So here is question number 34. The question reads, among the following, who first proposed the internal government debt does not create a burden for the future generation? So the options are Mankiw, Martin Feldstein, Harvey Rosen, and A.P. Lerner, and this was given by A.P. Lerner. So D is the correct option. Which of the following is an example of direct tax? Okay, so we know that direct taxes are those tax where the incidence as well as the impact of taxation falls on the same person, right? So that is the burden of taxation, and the first and the last person are the same. So sales tax, custom duties, and excise tax, these are all indirect taxes. So indirect taxes are basically who can shift the burden, right? This is shift the responsibility. So the impact and incidence of taxation are on two different persons. So that means sales tax, custom duty, and excise taxes are not direct taxes. So individual income tax is definitely our correct answer. That is option C. Okay, next question. So this is match of the following questions. So here we are giving the 4 stages of demographic transition and their features. So let us first quickly discuss the first we know that in the first demographic stage, so that is the less developing country we are talking about, where there is high fertility rate and high death rate, right? So do we have both the high rates? Yes, we have high fertility and high mortality rate, that is P. So this is related, one is related to P. Second stage, the fertility rate remains high, but due to more care toward the medicines and hospital facilities, so death rate is a bit controlled. So death rate falls, right? So declining mortality, so we have this. So that means 2 is related to S. Okay, third stage, in the third stage, basically the fertility rate starts to decline because people start to be concerned about their population, and then people start to go out to work. So both the members of the family are working, so then they become aware of the childbirth, etc. So then slowly the fertility rate starts to fall. So 3 is related to Q, declining fertility. And the fourth one is lastly where there is stable birth rate and stable death rate. So as a result, the population growth stops and it maintains a certain level, and so the population is stable, right? So that is 4R. So that means 1P, 2S, 3Q, 4R. So 1P, so these cancel, we have these two options. 2Q is not the correct option, so that means we have 1P, 2S, 3Q, 4R. Hence option B is the correct answer. Next question. In the Human Development Index, the longevity is measured by which of the following? So longevity is measured by the life expectancy at birth and none of the above. That is, it's not child survival rate, it's not healthy life expectancy, it's not disability adjusted life, but it is the life expectancy at birth. Next is about the types of test, right? So let us discuss all these. So Shapiro-Wilk test, okay? So this is our normality test. Bush-Gottfried test is for detecting autocorrelation. So this is test for autocorrelation. Jacques-Berat test. Now this is a test for skewness and kurtosis to match normal distribution. Okay, so this is also related to normal distribution. This is also normality test, but assumption of normality, so we will take into account Shapiro-Wilk test only. Okay, and finally Park test is for the test of heteroscedasticity. So we have discussed all the following, and for this question the answer is A. And the last question here is from the context of balance of payment. So in balance of payment, we are talking about here which of the following is not recorded under the current account. Okay, which of the following is not recorded under the current account? Merchandise trade is definitely current account. Unilateral transfer payments, current account. Purchase of international financial assets, foreign country by central bank. These are all about capital accounts, right? Capital assets and also capital account. That means not a part of current account. Then the correct answer should be this. That's all.